Little storyteller.
A tiny brown seed, Andy, lay snuggled in the soft earth. The world above was a mystery. A warm golden sunbeam peeked through the soil and gently kissed Andy. He felt a little tingle. Then came the soft pitter-patter of raindrops. Cool, refreshing water soaked the earth and reached Andy. He felt a stretch. Days turned into weeks. The sun shone, the rain fell, and Andy kept stretching. Slowly a little green sprout poked out of the ground. A fluffy white bunny with twitching pink nose hopped by. "Hello," squeaked the bunny. "You're growing, Andy." Now a small sapling with bright green leaves smiled. He did feel bigger. The warm sun felt good on his leaves, and the gentle rain kept him feeling fresh. Time passed. Andy grew taller and stronger. He had branches reaching towards the sky, and his leaves danced in the gentle breeze. He even grew sweet, round, red apples. The fluffy bunny came back with her little ones. "Look," she said. "Andy has grown so big and he has yummy apples." The bunnies nibbled happily on the fallen fruit. Growing takes time, sunshine, and rain, and it's wonderful to share what you grow.
Please subscribe. Thank you.